Okay, so let's have a look at what the markets have for us this morning. Let's start with the hourly chart of the ES. In fact, let's flip it out to the daily just to give us some perspective. One up, two back, one up, two back. And I think we've got another 1, 2, and we're in this 3 of 3. And we're starting that grind higher now where the pullbacks are shallow and hitting minimum retrace fibs, and it just keeps pushing up. So that's exactly what we want to see from here on in the US indices. So 4-hour chart, you can see we've taken out yesterday's high in pre-market this morning, looking at this to continue to push up higher as we go through today's session. So next fib up is at 29.48 to 29.53, and just breaking the subwaves, there's the one, that shallow 2, 1, 2 again, which was the count on the 15-minute chart I left you with last night. We held support and we're pushing up. So I want to see it come up to this target region here for a sub-micro degree 3, then a 4, then a 5, all the way up to the 29.68 to 29.89 region next is what I'm looking for in the ES. If we get up here, bear in mind we're in October and November call positions. So we start to look at managing the shorter dated ones of those when we start to get up into this region, and on the lookout for this count failing. I'm not expecting it to fail, but that would be the early warning sign now if we don't come up and hit the minimum fib expectations and then hold the support regions as we climb the ladder, so to speak, in the ES from here. And 15-minute chart, you can see then at minuscule degree, which is this aqua labeling, there's the 1, 2, then we had the 1 up yesterday into the high, the 2 back. It actually did hit the 50% retrace on each time frame to look for from here on in. Day trading wise, I'm expecting to take out this 29.27 this morning and continue to push higher. We have just had also the hourly squeeze fire long in the ES, so I'm looking for just a sustained update ideally.